This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to make a Jotform public. Whether you're working on collecting survey responses, organizing event registrations, or gathering feedback, making your Jotform public ensures anyone with the link can access and fill it out. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all the forms you've created. It's your central hub for managing everything related to your Jot forms. Next, select the form you want to make public. Simply click on it to open and then look for the Edit Form option. This will take you into the form editor where you can make any necessary adjustments. Here, you can customize everything from the design to the questions, ensuring your form is exactly how you want it before sharing it with others. After you're satisfied with your form, it's time to make it public. Look for the Publish button. It's usually located at the top of your screen. Clicking this button opens a new set of options that allow you to share your form in various ways. In the Publish section, you'll see an option labeled Share with Link. This is where you'll make the form accessible to the public. Click on Settings within this section to proceed. This will bring up a few different options regarding how your form is shared. Finally, you'll find an option to set your form's privacy settings. Here, you'll choose Public Form. By selecting this option, you're allowing anyone with the link to access and complete your form without needing any special permissions or accounts. This is perfect for reaching a wider audience and ensuring maximum participation. And there you have it. Your form is now public and you can share the link with anyone who needs access. Keep in mind that making a form public means anyone with the link can respond. So be sure this setting aligns with your goals for data collection and privacy. To summarize, you've learned how to make your Jotform public by logging into jotform.com, selecting and editing your form, clicking Publish, adjusting the settings under Share with Link, and finally choosing Public Form. This straightforward process ensures your form is accessible to anyone with the link, making it easier than ever to gather responses. Thank you for watching and happy form sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.